Well, we got the tires for the front, Federal 595 RSRRs to match the back, and the carbon fiber hood has arrived. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ripped all this apart, making sure everything's good before the driver left. But we're good. So, this might be a short, who knows. Let's get this damn hood on. And here it is. Obviously, I need to make a few more adjustments, and I like to hide what's underneath. There's a cowl. I'm gonna get that ready to be in there properly, like make sure it's in there good. Otherwise, she's looking good. Like I said, it's gotta make a few minor adjustments, and that's it. I do realize on this hood that the sides here pop up a little bit, but I honestly think it's hitting like the top strut area. On both sides is doing it, so no bueno. I'm gonna look into that. Otherwise it looks good. I know a lot of people may not like this hood. It's kind of like a Celine deal, but I wanted to be something a little different. I don't want to be copying everybody else, and I picked a hood that basically like nobody touches. So am I happy with it? Yeah, I'm happy. I can probably see better now. My wife's happy. Kids will probably be happy when they grow up. I love the cowl. Don't get me wrong. I've always been a fan of cowl hoods. It gives it a nice, mean, aggressive look. But for the channel, the kids, my wife, it's just the right thing to do. And if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna be different. I'm gonna shoot at it different. I'm gonna pick a hood that nobody really picks, nor do I see on any 3-valve. I'm sure there's probably a couple out there, but it's rare. Yeah, you can see it more here. It comes up. So I'm gonna try and figure that deal out on both sides. Otherwise, she's good. Well, I gotta figure out the whole spray shit. That'll be easy though. But for now, I'm gonna wrap it up, get some sleep, because I gotta work. See y'all later. Yeah. We're driving the Stang. Out and about. Alright, we're going about 65, maybe 60 right there. The hood is kind of fluttering. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it kind of, pops up a little bit. So, with that being said, I'm basically wrapping up a few different clips from different days here, all into one video, so bear with me. I got hood pins from CJ Pony Parts, so we are going to install those. That means drilling holes in this hood, which is probably going to suck. Basically just kind of propped on here. I mean, it's connected, it's on, it's latched and all, but I need hood pins to keep it proper, so that way it doesn't fly up when I actually race around the tracks and whatnot. I'm going to make a couple cuts, like I said, to make it fit properly, and I'm going to dive into that all with the same video as well, and then do the final fitment, after that. So hopefully this all works out. Hope I don't screw it up, because I've never done hood pins before. So yeah, stay tuned guys, I appreciate it. I love where I live. Where I live is actually really, really cool. Well, the hood pins showed up. We got that to work with now. I'll be making those holes here probably over the weekend here. But yeah, it's a good kit. So it's high quality, durable, whatnot. So they have a cheaper one too, but I figured why not spend a little bit more extra money. So we're gonna go that route. A few other things too as well. We gotta make little cuts underneath, make sure the hood is more flush, and fitment obviously. We'll be done. Another flaw I'm gonna say about the hood is not really, I guess, the hood's fault. I suppose if you're like, stock. I had to pull off the strut bar for the top, because in the middle here was hitting that bar and was flexing. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to go around that, because I still want that, strut on there, and I don't know, man. We'll have to figure it out. We'll dip into that too. Yeah. Heading out to a car show, or a car meet, I should say. There she is. Sorry about the wind. I'm decided to take the mic off. I mean, obviously there's a mic, you can hear me, but the actual mic that's on here so it's better quality. Because there's a lot of wind, I can try to block it here with my hand. Hood pins are on. That was some sketchy business. They look good. Not bad. I mean, I'm probably painting black. Some people are complaining because I didn't do the arrow hatch or latch whatnot, so it's whatever. I wanted a kind of an old school vibe. And I like this. This is just my route. It's my car. So there you go, suckers. That's not too bad. I like it. I probably will end up painting these black. Who knows? Maybe purple. We'll see. Depends on what color the car goes next to. But man, she's a beaut. All right. See you later. Next one. All right. I'm sorry, guys. It wasn't really like a how-to video, but I appreciate you stopping by. And if you have not done it, you know what to do. So do it.